Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using BetMGM in 2025. Today, we're diving into everything a new bettor needs to know. Let's start by creating your BetMGM account. It's quick and easy. Follow these simple steps. Now that your account is set up, let's explore the BetMGM interface and its key features to navigate smoothly. Understanding the types of bets is crucial. We'll cover moneyline bets, spreads, and totals. Let's talk about depositing funds. BetMGM offers various payment methods to ensure an easy experience. Placing your first bet can be thrilling. Follow this walkthrough to make your first wager. Live betting adds an exciting layer. Let's explore how it works and some strategies to enhance your experience. BetMGM offers incredible promotions and bonuses. Here's how to maximize your betting experience as a new user. Responsible gambling is essential. BetMGM provides various resources to help you stay safe and have fun. To wrap it up, here are some tips for a successful BetMGM betting experience. Enjoy and bet wisely.